Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a given value is an object in JavaScript. Objects are fundamental data structures used for storing key-value pairs, but not all values are objects. Let's explore an efficient way to determine if a value is an object. In JavaScript, objects include regular objects, arrays, and even functions. However, primitives like null, undefined, string, and boolean are not objects. This check helps differentiate between objects and non-object values. This function works by wrapping the value inside object. If the original value is already an object, it remains unchanged. Otherwise, it gets converted to a wrapped object, making the comparison returns false for non-object values. This approach correctly identifies all JavaScript objects, while excluding primitive values. The object constructor is a built-in way to convert values to objects, making it ideal for this check. This function correctly identifies objects, arrays, and functions while filtering out primitive values. The object method ensures accurate object detection without unnecessary complexity. This function is widely used in data validation, API response handling, and security checks. It ensures that functions receive the correct data type, preventing unexpected errors and security vulnerabilities. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to distinguish objects from primitive values, ensuring accurate type handling in JavaScript applications. This method is useful in handling API responses, working with data structures, and preventing unexpected type errors. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.